This is snow. We got lots of it. Yeah. Trees. Floor's all wet. This is a snowstorm. Yep. That's our grill. That's our picnic table. That's the shovels. Both shovels are out here, Albert. That's our driveway that has not been plowed yet. Snow on the trees. Yep. Okay. That was the back side of the house. This is what the front side of the house looks like.
I can slap them. This is going funny. I'm not amused.
Albert's footsteps, because he came outside in the snow just this morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning. The wind's blowing blue. So we got a lot of snow. Boo. It's cold. It's just snow. It's a lot of snow.